Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Maniac presented by AS Developers. Friends, these are the app icons of our app on the Play Store. You can join us there. So let's start today's the Hindu vocabulary 25 July 2018. Today's first word is aphorism, meaning a short pithy instructive saying. Hindi meaning kahavat, vachan. Similar words saying, maxim, nom, adage. Example, he waited a moment and then laughed at his own aphorism. He had no final answer to these questions, or rather, no neat aphorism that he cared to formulate as a philosophical truth. Next, disdain, meaning a lack of respect accompanied by a feeling of intense dislike. Hindi meaning घृणा करना, तुच्छ समझना. Similar words condescension, patronage, contempt, despite, scorn, freeze off, pooh pooh, reject, spurn, turn down, contempt, despise. Example, Janet looked at him with disdain. She shared her daughter's disdain for her fellow countrymen. Next, rigmarole, meaning a long and complicated and confusing procedure. Hindi meaning anap shnap. Similar words procedure, to do, performance, bother. Example, then the whole rigmarole starts over again. I couldn't be bothered to go through the rigmarole of changing clothes. Next, unflinching, meaning not shrinking from danger. Hindi meaning bedhadak, behichak. Similar words unblinking, unintimidated, unshrinking, determined, firm, steady, constant. Example, the battalions continued to advance with unflinching courage. They were unflinchingly loyal to their friends. Next, shibboleths, meaning a favorite saying of a sect or a political group. Hindi meaning abhigyan, sanket shabd. Similar words catchword, motto, slogan. Example, it is time to go beyond the shibboleths that conventional forces can't deter. Next, daredevilry, meaning actions that are physically dangerous and require courage. Hindi meaning pradhan karna, dehant. Similar words adventurer, daring, bold. Example, the show's full of daredevil feats. He was a daredevil when young. Next, stead, meaning characterized by dignity and propriety. Hindi meaning gambhir, shant. Similar words sedate, serious, sober, quiet. Example, some might consider the town to be a bit staid. He was senior pastor of a staid old church full of money, manners and momentum. Next, crux, meaning the most important point. Hindi meaning kathin baat, mool. Similar words crucial point, heart, core, essence. Example, he said the crux of the matter was economic policy. It captures the crux point between expectation and fact. Next, pedagogical, meaning the methods and theory of teaching. Hindi meaning शिक्षा विज्ञान संबंधी. Example, the pedagogical methods used in the classroom. It also allows trainees to skip the pedagogical theory of a postgraduate teaching qualification and get straight into the classroom. Friends, our today's session is complete. If you like my video, then please like and share it with your friends. And friends, if you have any suggestion or query, then you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. I need your support. Thank you so much to watch my video.